Okay, today is August 27th, Monday, and after feeling really ill for this last week, I'm coming down to the Park Police Station to file this report for the denial of access and accommodation in the public buildings and, of course, my public health. Thanks. Hi. I'm here to file a police report, an incident report.
Sure, what you need?
Can we do it here? Can we do it inside, or where do we do it?
We'll do it right here.
That's fine. So, basically, what I'd like to do is file a complaint. On August 15th, I went down to the Department of Public Health seeking services, and I called the San Francisco Police Department for civil standby to have somebody there in case there was any problems with me receiving services. And after everything, I was videotaping it, and I have it on videotape. The sheriff's officer and the police person came down and told me that there was a stay-away restraining order.
Okay.
And I asked him on the video, you know, because I have a copy of it, and I want to give it to you guys for this incident report and everything, because there was, I believe...
So what do you, I mean, my question is what do you want to report of?
The fact that I was denied public accommodations and access into a public building based on, you know, criminal fraud. Well, that's correct, and the order was incorrect. There was no such thing. The officer told me to go to 400 McAllister and give him my name and everything to the clerk, and there's no such thing.
Grant?
That's correct. And then, to be on the safe side, they told me to go to the DA's office at 850 Bryant, and he ran a check. There was no such thing.
Okay.
And
what's your date of birth?
11/7 at 60.
For something like this, I mean, if you've got... So
the officer...
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm a little confused on what happened. You're going a little fast for me.
Okay.
Okay, so you went to a building. What building was it?
101 Grove, the Department of Public Health.
Okay, and you went there for what reason?
Follow up on health care that, you know, that I've been having problems getting.
Okay.
And I called the officer and I took my paperwork with me to show, you know, and they were telling me that, you know, at that point, the Department of Public Health told me it was illegal to videotape, and I said, well, cite me the law. And of course, it's not illegal to videotape. Okay. But since the Department of Public Health contracts the institutional police and the sheriff's department, it violates a citizen's legal rights to these services.
Okay, so
my legal rights were violated. There was.
Okay, well then in that case,
that's why I'm coming to you guys to file the report, because I came to you guys in the first place. You know. Okay, so let me continue. Then what I did is I sunshined the Department of Public Health for this stay-away order, which I have on videotape, and they wrote back and said that no such order exists. So there was criminal fraud involved in giving the officers bogus paperwork.
Okay,
so there it is, number one.
Okay, so
I was denied access and accommodation into a public building seeking public services as a disabled person. My ADA rights were violated. The police officer who went with me apparently didn't know what the law was, because when I asked him, I said, is this bogus? If this is bogus, then what? Will you arrest the Department of Public Health for violating my civil rights? You know, I can't get an answer, but I was told to come and file the incident report so that it could be looked into, you know, and all these other things, and that's exactly what I want to do, so that it's not whitewashed.
What's your date of birth?
Oh, 11/7/60. Correct. So I want to file the report and do everything correctly so it can be investigated. Sent to the DA's office. So the officer basically went back inside with my paperwork, and let's see where this goes. Jeez, this place is just filled with people's problems and apparently them never getting solved. Missing people. Runaways. Incredible. Incredible. See no evil. Do no evil, speak no evil? Who knows? So I've gone a little fast for the officer. Well, I'm sorry. Thank God I have it on video. So, I guess the next question is whether or not they'll take the incident report. Now, without an incident report, naturally, there's nothing to follow up on. You know, hey, we received no complaints, you know, we don't have any problems, the usual risk management approach. Unfortunately, you know, I'm going to ask for a case number and an incident number so that this will get sent up to the district attorney's office, as it must be investigated, if I'm correct, for criminal fraud that was used against me.
Okay. I'm kind of confused on what you want.
I want to file an incident report complaint so that it can be followed up on the criminal fraud that was instituted against me that prevented me from having my rights, so that it can get sent up to the DA.
All right, I get it. Okay. So just because you're going so fast and you're jumping from one part of the story
they denied me.
So you went. Hold on. Let me see if I got this right.
Please.
So you went to the Department of Health.
Public Health, correct. 101 Grove.
For getting your health
to
benefits.
Follow up on my health care, correct.
Okay.
Or
so then you were denied access for what reason? Because they said you had a stay-away order?
I have it on video, correct, and the officer pointed to it. The San Francisco police officer said that it had to be valid because the Department of Public Health had it, and that it had to be signed by a judge. I asked him on the videotape, what if it's bogus? Are you going to protect my rights because you're out here to serve and protect and arrest the Department of Public Health for committing fraud? Please, you wanted me to finish.
What fraud?
Allow me to finish.
What fraud?
The fraud was when they produced the papers the stay-away order, the restraining order that I have on video.
Do you have a copy of it?
Yes, it's on the video. I have a copy of the video right here with me.
No. I mean a copy of the...
It's on the video.
Oh, no. I mean a copy of it right there. Did they give you a copy?
No, of course not. They sent me to 400 McAllister to get a copy. That's what the officer told me on the video.
Did you go to 400 McAllister?
That's correct. I gave you that.
That's what this is. Okay.
No, the other one. This is the one from the... No, you're missing one.
No, I didn't.
The one that said Jason Grant Garza. And that, you know, I gave to you, you're missing it. You probably left it on the desk in there. And it was from 400 McAllister, and it had like 5 or 6 things written on it. Yeah, you still have it. Because I gave you 3 pieces of paper. Would you just ask your friend to check your desk?
No, this is all I had. This is all you gave me.
No, there was another one because you read off the top. You said your name is Jason Grant Garza, remember?
Yeah, I saw it off of this.
You know, and I said, yes,
but
there was another one, and it had like, you know, maybe this much and the rest was blank.